Choosing the right roofing contractor can save you from a lot of trouble and expenses. After all, your roof is one of the most important parts of your home, so hiring the right roofer is vital to protect everything you love. Unfortunately, some companies out there might try to cut corners or even scam you in the process. So, in this video, we'll share 8 key questions to ask to make sure you're hiring a trustworthy roofer. Let's get started. Question number 1. How long have you been operating? You want to know how long the roofing company has been in business. When it comes to your home's safety, experience matters. An experienced roofing contractor has seen it all and knows how to handle unexpected problems that might come up. Plus, their years of experience guarantee that they will be around when you need them for future maintenance or repairs. Question number 2. Are you a licensed and insured company? This is a very important question. Having a license means the roofing company has met all the requirements to do their job professionally, and being insured means that you're going to be protected from liability if an accident happens on your property. And speaking of accidents, don't forget to ask about their safety protocols. It's essential to know how they insure your home, how their workers stay safe, and how they minimize risks. Question number 3. Will you remove the damaged roof? You want to know if the roofing company is planning to remove your damaged roof or if it's just going to lay new shingles over it. Bear in mind that, while a layover might be a cheaper option, it can lead to more issues in the long term. If the roofing contractor is planning to remove your roof, ask them if they will bring their own container for debris and how they handle cleanup after the job. A good roofer should leave your property as clean as they found it. Question number 4. Do you use subcontractors? Find out if the roofing contractor will use their own crew or subcontract the work. If this is the case, make sure they're also licensed and insured. Spoiler alert, there's a big chance they're not. Question number 5. What's included in the cost? Always ask for a detailed breakdown of what's included in the cost. A professional roofing company will always provide you with a detailed estimate covering materials, labor, and any additional fees. It's very important to know exactly what you're going to pay for and make sure you're not facing unexpected costs in the future. Question number 6. Do you offer a warranty? A good roofer will always offer a warranty for their work. Always ask about their terms and conditions, and don't forget to ask about their policies if something gets damaged during the job. Make sure you understand what's covered and what's not beforehand, so there are no surprises later. Question number 7. When can you start? This may sound obvious, but it's essential to know their availability to begin your project and having an estimated timetable detailing every step. A good roofer will always consider the time it takes to obtain the necessary permits and licenses with local authorities when providing their time estimate. They will even help you handle all the paperwork to get them. So, if they say they can start tomorrow, that may not be a good sign. Question number 8. Can you provide reviews or references? A good roofer should be happy to provide reviews or references from previous customers. This can give you insight into their reliability and the quality of their work. Also, it's a good sign if they have served customers in your area before. This ensures they can be easily reachable if something occurs and you need immediate assistance. Asking these 8 essential questions can make a huge difference in the outcome of your next roofing project. A roofing contractor has to become a trusted partner from the very beginning, so it's crucial to choose a contractor who prioritizes clear communication, professionalism, and quality work. Ready to get started on your roofing project? Contact us today to start transforming your home. Our expert team is here to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more roofing content. See you in the next video.